Thinking about getting your CDL? Whether you're ready to jump into the trucking industry or just exploring your options, getting your Class A CDL is the first step toward a career full of opportunities. At CDL School Pros, we're here to guide you through every part of the process so you can hit the road with confidence. Getting your Class A CDL starts with meeting a few basic requirements. First, you must be at least 18 years old if you plan to drive within your state or 21 for crossing state lines or transporting hazardous materials. You'll also need a valid Class D driver's license and a clean driving record. Once you've got the basics covered, your next step is to pass a DOT physical exam to get your medical card. This exam ensures you're healthy enough to handle the demands of driving a commercial vehicle. You'll need to visit a certified medical examiner from the FMCSA's National Registry, who will check things like your vision, hearing, and overall physical fitness. Once you pass, you'll be issued a DOT medical card, which is a key part of the process. After securing your medical card, you'll need to complete something called self-certification. This step involves declaring the type of driving you plan to do. To self-certify, you'll typically go online to your state's motor vehicle registry or Department of Motor Vehicles website and choose one of 4 categories that best describes your driving type. It's important because it determines whether you'll need to keep your DOT medical card on file with your state. This process is quick but critical for ensuring you meet the specific requirements for your CDL and stay compliant with regulations. The FMCSA has broken commercial driving into 4 categories to make this process easier to understand. Let's break them down. First, there's non-accepted interstate driving, which covers most drivers, especially those crossing state lines or hauling hazardous materials. If this applies to you, you'll need to keep your DOT medical card on file at all times. Next is accepted interstate driving for drivers who cross state lines but don't require a DOT medical card. This category often includes school bus drivers, government employees, and farm vehicle operators. Then there's non-accepted intrastate driving for those who only drive within their state but are still required to meet state medical standards. Drivers in this group also need a DOT medical card, though the exact requirements may vary by state. Finally, accepted intrastate driving is for drivers who stay within their state and don't need a DOT medical card. This might include emergency vehicle operators or drivers performing non-commercial work. It's essential to know which category you fall into and update your self-certification if your situation changes. This ensures you stay compliant and avoid any disruptions to your license. With your DOT medical card and self-certification complete, the next step is to obtain your Commercial Learner's Permit, or CLP. To do this, you'll need to pass a series of tests that cover the basics of operating a commercial vehicle. These include General Knowledge Test. This ensures you understand the rules of the road, vehicle safety, and other foundational knowledge required for driving a commercial vehicle. Combination Vehicles Test. This test focuses on the specifics of driving combination vehicles like tractor-trailers, which require additional skills and knowledge compared to single-unit trucks. Air Brake Test. If you plan to operate a vehicle equipped with air brakes, this test is required to demonstrate your understanding of how air brake systems work and how to use them safely. With your Commercial Learner's Permit CLP in hand, the next crucial step is to complete an approved entry-level driver training (ELDT) program. As of February 7, 2022, the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration (FMCSA) mandates that all new commercial drivers complete ELDT before taking the CDL skills test. ELDT programs are designed to equip you with the necessary knowledge and skills for safe and efficient commercial vehicle operation. These programs include both theory, classroom or online, and behind-the-wheel practical training components. The curriculum covers essential topics such as vehicle operation, hazard perception, and regulatory compliance. To find an approved ELDT provider, consult the FMCSA's Training Provider Registry, which lists all certified training programs nationwide. Completing an ELDT program is a mandatory requirement before you can schedule and take your CDL skills test. This training ensures you are well prepared to meet the demands of a professional driving career. However, timing is critical, especially in states like Massachusetts. In Massachusetts, your CLP is only valid for 1 year, and if you do not complete the ELDT program and pass your CDL skills test within that time frame, you must wait a full year before reapplying for a new CLP and starting over. This restriction emphasizes the importance of planning your training schedule carefully. For example, if you get your CLP and wait 6 months before starting an ELDT program, you might find yourself with only a few weeks left to schedule and pass the CDL test after completing the course. To avoid this, it's best to enroll in an ELDT program as soon as possible after obtaining your CLP. While most states allow you to reapply for a CLP without a waiting period, Massachusetts is an exception with its unique 1-year rule. Always check your state's specific requirements and timelines to ensure you're on track to complete the process smoothly. Proper planning can save you time, frustration, and the need to start over. Once you pass the official CDL skills test, the process isn't over yet. You have a limited amount of time, typically 30 to 60 days depending on your state, to take your test results and convert your CLP into a full CDL license. Failing to do so within the allowed time frame can result in your test results expiring, meaning you'll have to retake the entire skills test, which can be costly and time-consuming. It's also important to note that passing the CDL test doesn't automatically make you eligible to drive a commercial vehicle. Until your CLP is officially converted into a hard CDL license, you are not legally allowed to operate a commercial vehicle on your own. This is a critical step, so don't delay. At CDL School Pros, we're here to guide you every step of the way, from getting your commercial learner's permit to acing your skills test and securing your CDL license. To help you succeed, don't forget to check out our air brake test and pre-trip inspection procedural videos on this channel. They're packed with tips and step-by-step guidance to help you ace the tests. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and follow us for more content designed to help you on your journey to becoming a professional driver. With the right preparation, planning, and support, you'll be ready to hit the road and take control of your driving career. Let CDL School Pros help you make it happen.